Me de Isaac Odwampo, obetumi afem the great ampo mbrembren. Wonu me nka mo ni ehwe too much G8. Too much G8. Mo ye too much. Na me so me ye am fire.
Too much G8, a case capa, any medina, Gano, Halo Jumedi, and Ebre, Asosemede, Ebebe Somona, I was here for a net day, Judge Penny be a budget, say, 1 10 and 1 say, will be a day and some to the swan, I say, you didn't baby Pimo Elwo court. Now, our lawyer, now the lawyer are resigning. Now, if you walk a lawyer for a day, a man and I say, lawyer Bianya, and I didn't say, well, Baba representing a year suspect, ye, I will call to Pona to say, I send no, woman to me, a dear when you promise you best any a brantano, one will be Jelino, so one will Angelino, so one will be you know, said the and son will be and I didn't say, will only up and possess, or Baba Bejina, a year suspect, ye, a chia, and I say, well, Baba Bechlan, and what bread, ever and some. Na jaja yeka eye no ho asemi eye Justice Lydia Osema Fom na ebusuafo nipa wo ka ne ho asem eye yem papa na chese wo ye MP ni din edi JB Dankwa Edu atese kokoku no ewo ni fie a enumu ebesi nne ne nsem chese wo bia entimi enkaye ema ye hu atenten ni hu se nipa sumesi ena eku no anase wo benten ena eku no na ye papa wo ye eye MP ede ema ebuakwa north metre debi Dankwa na wo ye MP ede ema ebuakwa north na ne key suspect Daniel Esiedum wono ene abranti asese yeyi no ede esi wono mo se wono ena edi sa enamon sem anase wono ena eku ye papa JB Dankwa Edum edi free atase for asasi esum na on the 15th of January 2021 ena Justice Lydia Osema for asese wono ena ye judge penya wodi sa asem no ede ababetu eja ese despite say watchrom ede akoma legal aid department say one more enhwe na one more empe wo bia obeba lawyer obeba represent Daniel Esiedu no up till now ebesi sampepe so yi obia entimi enoni apanase obia ema abonten emeka say ebia meba na me de say abrantie Daniel Esiedu ababegina court enim na ne murder trial yi yetimi ahwe na yehunu say ni say na ekoso from November 2020 any December 2020 ebesi ennem tese still na wo munya lawyer obegina ede ama abrantie na ebusuafo ansa na no na ye ni abema yi na tese wo lawyer wono ena na wo boa no ewo nensem kanye emu achese wono ede bebetu eja Mr. Obo ono na ye lawyer for Daniel Esiedu bra court issue yi eba na papa yi eja Daniel Esiedu ewonum all because of some video bi ebebe circulate ewo social media so achese bebia na achese wo ya abrantie no anase ye nua bema Daniel Esiedu no confirm me say ampa wono eneku JB Dankwa Edum eno na chese ema Mr. Obo enso na adwen say ene na ehu ehia say wo betimi aye den aba be defending because nipa wono obia wo Obo na say nya nipa no nyonu neku no na yetimi ahwe the role corporate and I said the role personal with this anya ma wonsem say ni pay ya ba abanta be ka se wonu neku no dia ene na hia be ne hia se so sanso e defending ntie no ene ma ye papa na say ye nua be ma ni din e di Mr. Augustine wo bo wo jai say wo defend ye nua be ma Daniel Esiedu for the 5 years and someone akoso and I say wudia ye de eto ni so no enunti ene ma na twen ne ho na no na to ye ma me Justice ede ababeto abonten ese so one tiasie na so wo hu de ntia obi ampese wo de nsa ebeso ensem no emu na wo ne legal aid department for kasa no Justice Mafo ni nsem no say and wo de to your say I don't know why nobody wants to touch this case. It is nothing extraordinary. Just come and do it to the best of your ability. we ene eye ne nsema wodi etu eye edwam. Or say I therefore urge the legal practitioner to consider taking Daniel Esiedu case into order because it's been almost 5 years since the member of parliament for Ebuakwa North was murdered in cold blood at his residence at Shashi in Accra. So far, 2 persons, Vincent Bosu and Daniel Esiedu, are standing in trial with charges of conspiracy to commit robbery or murder, respectively. We ene ayaya maame no nensama wode atu eye justice mafum. Wasu wanti ase denti obi an pese wode ne nsa ebeso ensemu na we den kanya simbie na so obeba abagina won. Na wa ye wode a wo be ye as a lawyer. Wo ka wie na se ne abrante no still na no kwana ye de ne bekwa tuma nye de na kwa tum na da ne da che se wo no a wo ho no ma ye nka na asem mu hu de o mo de na asem ye no no nsusu na ye jaja wo be di asem na che se ne ho tete no so wontimi di asem na emfree eye ne so it's 5 years ni wontimi ntina wo no mama enoma enko na nim esam enu nti no wo de etu eye justice say no wo mo hwe na wo ka bibi emfa no de ne nsem no etim eno say case no wo mo adjone no e de akwa kodru eye February 11th, 2021. I just said the February 11th, and I won't be atna a year and some soon to say every start time medium na a BM so no and penny 4 one more other legal aid department no one more apple beer or baba representing a brantiano now one more to me a year as no now I was for your DSN what sharp. Edenti ena bema alaya for no edwane edi every wo mu dwumadi mu se wo mo ebe represent obi e wo court for enoma akoso afeye patent ne edi ama yem papa JB Dankwa edu ni wo no na still obi anya na do so oni app abo ama ye hunu nipa wo kun no na se de be ye mra no ni bedi atimi edi wugidi se eye den ena esi alaya for no ekwan abusia for dwinjo fa ensem yi hu ebe tuja e otuma GH your comment section like videos na share or all the social media platform as well. Ekeskapa anybody that's an yebesane share.
Too much GH. We boy what shout out to your fans and everybody who is watching Too Much GH.
The major prophet kum chacha. On say me catch was say bomoden na hwe Too Much GH. On say me kan ye nyane bone pa na kase yepe wo wiase ya asonde asonde nti na Adam wo hu nyame yenu nyam no wo hu ne ma bi a wo hwehwehwehwe e wo other place ne ade kat won na bomoden na be hwe Too Much GH be hwe na subscribe bomoden o be hwe pe na wa ye subscribe o subscribe na subscribe na o subscribe a na wo benya ne yama papa a wo pe ahwe nyame hira na ura.
Too Much GH. Many have come and many have gone, but you are a great Kankambuka ability, worth being beheld by every optical nerves. That saith the papacy.
Keep watching Too Much GH, and you'll get the best of entertainment, the best of everything you want.
My name is Ohima One. Keep watching Too Much GH. It's the best.
Keep watching Too Much GH.